Step into the room where leaders rise, confident, strong, strategy-wise.
It's more than a role, it's presence you bring in every moment, in everything.
Lead with presence, stand up strong, find your place where you belong. Simulation leaders, this is for you. Join the nominations, elections committee for hands-on,
high-impact session, build skills and leadership, advocacy and action planning.
lead with purpose, lead with power.
Your next step starts here.